Good morning, everybody. Today, I will do revision for your chapter adverb. Okay, because this chapter I have done in my YouTube online class. So, today I will do adverb page number 63. Page number 63. I know that you have done, but those who have not done, you will do it, and those who have done, please revise it. Okay, this is the revision class. So, adverbs, that is add verb, add quality to the verbs. Like the revision, just describing words. Like this, describing words describe the noun, but here the verb is described by adverbs. How she sings sweetly. So here, just look, adverb, sometime it is, most of the time, it is sitting, just, it is placing, it is after the verb or before that. So she sings sweetly. How does she sing? How does she sing? So how we are asking question. That does means, that is, we are telling adverbs of manner. 3 adverbs you are having. Adverbs, whenever we are asking question by how, that is the adverb of manners. But we are describing the verb, that is verb and that is adverb. Number 2, another thing I can tell, that if I am telling she lives here, so here lives verb and here adverb. So where does she live? So here I am asking question by where. So that is place, adverbs of place. Please remember this. Number 3, she went to Kolkata. She went to Kolkata yesterday. Or yesterday she went to Kolkata. That is, yesterday means the time. If you want, you can write. If you don't want, no need to write. Okay. So, please listen to me, because YouTube class also you will get these things. Please listen to me very carefully. So, she went to Kolkata yesterday. This yesterday we are getting by questioning when. So, it is adverbs of time. So, these 3 things we will read or we have already read. So, again I am telling how, manners. If I am asking question by how, that time it is also describing the verbs, that is called adverbs of manner. If I am asking question by where, that is called adverbs of place. And if I am asking question by when, that is called adverbs of time. So here in your page number 63, some examples have given. Like this, dog is barking loudly. How the dog is barking? Loudly. She ran fast. How did she run? Ran fast. Sun is shining brightly. Onu is running fast. So here we are asking question by how. Next, page number 64. Same thing, some examples we are getting by asking question by where. Manoj is sitting here. Where does Manoj sit? So the place, here. Where is Manoj sitting? Where is Kopil standing? Kopil is standing there. So all these are telling that adverbs of place. Next time, I told you I got this letter yesterday. We will do the lesson tomorrow. And here actions, that actions are done, but when the time is describing, when the verb is describing by time. So that is called adverbs of time. So page number 65, here sometime, here underline the adverbs. So MCQ question, like this type of question will come. Gopal reads well. Okay, Gopal reads well. Identify the adverb. If I am asking question, number one, option number one, Gopal. Number two, reads. Number three, well. So please write it. Anybody? Which one is adverb? Please tell me. Okay, I am telling that here, how does Gopal reads? So adverb is well. Okay, yes, Rajana has answered that. Reads well. So here, all these, how adverbs are there. So I am just telling that, please listen to me. Which one is adverb? Okay, which one is adverb? That is page number 65, number D. I am telling that, please listen to me. Well, second one, Umesh writes neatly. Neatly. Third one, Milkha Singh ran fast. Fast. Fourth one, baby was sleeping soundly. Soundly. Fifth one, the bird sang sweetly. Sweetly. Sixth one, the moon shone brightly. Brightly. Seventh, he spoke cleverly. So cleverly. Eighth one, the soldiers fought bravely. Bravely. Ninth one, Ajoy hit the ball hard. And 10th one, the servant swept the floor carefully. Number 11th, the baby cried loudly. Number 12, my friends helped me happily. So happily. So all these 12's answer I have told the adverb. Please underline it. Those who have underlined it, revise it, and those who have not underlined, underline. Underline the where adverbs. The bus stops here. So first one, number E, here, because we are asking question by where. Second one, we live there, there. Then number 3, the sky is above, above. I know that Shankalan, you have done it, but most of the students have done it, but just I have done in my YouTube online class, so online class I have given the revision now. Number 6, Nandan is playing outside. Number 7, God is everywhere, everywhere. Stranger walked away, away. Number 9, doctor came back, so back. Number 10, traveler looked up. Unu is waiting upstairs, upstairs. I did not find him anywhere, so anywhere. Here, page number 66. Underline the when adverbs. I met my uncle yesterday. So yesterday. Number 2, we will play the match tomorrow. So tomorrow. It is very foggy today. Today. Number 3, number 4, sun is rising now. So now. Number 6, we will have a dance class today. Number 7, Minu gets up early. And number 8, some students came late. Number 9, I was sleeping then. Then teacher will come soon. Soon. So number G we will do. Okay. Those who have not done, do it. Number G, how adverbs. How, where, and when. So we can read the passage. So here it was raining heavily yesterday. So heavily, obviously how? Heavily. This is page number 66. Number E, G. Where? So yesterday, when adverbs? My brother Ajoy had a fever and cried loudly with pain. So loudly. And after that, he also tossed in bed restlessly. So restlessly. After that, I could not find Papa anywhere. Anywhere? Where adverbs? He had gone out. So out. Next, I decided to go to the doctor myself. I walked carefully. Next, walked carefully so that I might not sleep. Soon I reached the doctor's clinic. I had to wait there for 15 minutes there. Then, also we can write that soon I reached the soon when I told the doctor about Ajoy's fever. He gave me medicine. Ajoy took the medicine. He is all right now. So all these are how, where, when. I have done because you have to identify the adverbs in your MCQ question also. So page number 67, child answered all the question correctly. Ishan can bowl fast. Next, the old man walked slowly. Do not speak loudly near the patient. So if fill in the blanks is there, so you have to write also like this. It had been raining, so we walked carefully. We knocked the door gently. My sister can dance well. Then fill in the blanks with where adverbs. She left her house in the morning but soon came back. Some people are standing outside. Shall I come them in? Please wait for me here and don't go till I come back. Look up. There is a beautiful bird flying in the sky. Please go down and meet the guest. So page number 68. It is a bad habit to get up late in the morning. We should go to the sleep early. Then yesterday we are living in Mussoorie. Rohan did not go to school then. Now we are going to play a game. So all this chapter I have told you. If you are having any problem, please tell me. So the question can come also that in the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, how the fill in the blanks with adverb like this. Number 1, Rohan did not go to school. Number 1, up, number 2, then, and number 3, down, number 3, yesterday. So you have to choose it, yesterday. So like this type of question will come in your exam. Kopil is standing there. Sky is above. So you have to write like this. If I am giving another fill in the blanks, the sky is dash. So number 1, above. Number 2, is. Number 3, And appropriate means proper also. You have to write standing. So anything you have to choose that is correct. So sky is above. So this type of MCQ question will be coming from this adverb. Adverb, prepositions, all these words I have done the YouTube class, so I'll do the revision also in here. And if you are having any problem, please tell me. Let me see who are Ishan Hajra, Moyuk Shamunto, Nourin Jama, Noendrila Chatterjee, Rajkishore, Ronak, Shankalan. So anybody has left? I did not see that. Shankalan, what is the problem? Please tell me. Okay, if anybody is having any problem, please ask me. But read the adverb. Again, I am telling the 3 types of adverbs. You have to read the adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, and adverbs of time. And also it is describing the verbs, not noun. Whenever it is describing the noun, that is called adjective. But whenever it is describing the verb, that is called adverb. So, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, and adverbs of time. You have to read. And this type of only the question will come. Identify the adverbs or fill in the blanks. So, if you have done or if you have any problem in another chapter, please write to me. Next day I will revise this chapter. And those who are present, write P. Okay, bye.